What's going on, people? It's Henry again, and in this video we're going to be reacting to how I turned vending machine into a 300k business. And this guy on CNBC make it. So let's get into this right now.
People love vending machines because they're convenient.
Yeah.
If you're thirsty, get a Coke. If you're hungry, get some Doritos. Not many people know that anybody can own them. There's low startup costs and there's a potential for high return. My name is Marcus Graham, and I made over $300,000 last year from my vending machine business.
Is that profits? Because if it's profits, okay, let's see. That'd be profits. All right. Profits. That's what I want.
I have 21 vending machines spread across Baltimore, Philadelphia, DC, and Detroit.
That's a lot, 21. It's quite a bit of vending machines.
These are a couple of my vending machines.
How long have you been doing this for?
This machine makes $800 a month.
Okay.
And this drink machine makes $1,000 a month.
Profit?
This machine makes $1,000 a month. And this machine makes $1,300 a month.
Is that profit?
I started my vending machine business in 2018. I had a friend who saw a woman taking cash out of a vending.
So 2018, this is 2022. That's 4 years, okay? He's been out here for 4 years. He didn't start last month, and now he's making 300k because that's a lot of the odds we see on YouTube. This is good.
The machine, and it kind of sparked the idea about maybe we should get into it. It cost me about $4,500 to get started in the vending machine business, between 2 machines and 2 credit card readers.
4,500, inflation and everything. Maybe right now you're looking at maybe 10 grand.
In 2018, it made $4,000. 2019, it made $25,000.
Okay, wait. So he invested $4,000. Then 2018, for the entire year, he made $4,000. He did not make 1 million. And then the following year, of course, 4,000. I'm guessing what he did was reinvest the entire amount of money, not starting buying a lot of watches and stuff like that or Lamborghinis. He invested that money back into the business, and then that's how he made 25. And then I think then demand was also higher, and he got a little scope into the business already, so he knew exactly where to put his machines.
2020, it made over $200,000.
Okay.
2021, it made over $300,000.
Okay.
And I'm currently projected to make over $500,000.
So
in 2022.
So what I can see, like, from this guy here is what he does, and that he's not speaking about. If this is, he's reinvesting and probably putting new money into the business. That's what he's doing, reinvesting and putting new money into the business, maybe up to 2020, and then, or maybe up to 2019, and then the business kind of start running itself. And he just knows the business better, and with, you know, a couple connections and stuff like that, he knows exactly where to put it.
And I'm currently projected to make over $500,000 in 2022.
Nice. He's a regular guy.
Before starting the vending machine business, I was making $30,000 a year. Okay. I was living in poverty, and I was just hoping that one day I can turn my life around.
Oh, nice.
I used to try to be a music producer, and that didn't work out, so I moved back home, and my goal was to live with my mother for a period of time to save money.
And that's very important. I like that. Like, parents should always, you know, kids that try, if you try, it doesn't work, I come back home, save money, try to re-strategize and go again.
Stayed with my mother for about 9 months and was able to save up $10,000.
Good.
From that point in time, I wanted to move to Philadelphia to start a business. I didn't.
10,000. That's a decent amount. So it was just working menial jobs to save 10,000, and he wasn't spending like crazy. Which I say, don't spend money on stuff.
Know what that business was going to be.
Save money.
And I landed on the vending machine business. What started out as a side hustle became
so he was
my
also
life.
Working.
I went from making $30,000 a year to over $300,000 a year.
That's lovely. You've done absolutely well for yourself, mate.
A few tips that I have for starting your own vending machine business is, 1, never buy a machine until you have a place to put it. Okay.
Yeah, fair enough.
When I'm looking for a good vending location, I'm looking for places that have a lot of foot traffic. Okay. You know, places like apartments, hotels, motels, you know, student housing.
Yeah. Yes.
To buy a vending machine, you want to look for your local vending machine warehouse, which I think is the best. You can also find vending machines on places like Craigslist, Facebook Market, or places like eBay.
Oh, really? I never knew. Oh, wow.
A vending machine can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000, depending on if it's new or refurbished.
Crazy prices.
A typical day for me as the owner of Joint Vending is I wake up, I check my vending machine sales, I contact my staff to see what machines they're going to be stocking. I then shop for product for the machines that I service, and then I go stock the machines.
Okay, and this is where I want to know. Is that profit? Because okay, after paying overhead, everything, what does the business take home? It's not okay. The business can make 300,000, and you overhead is like 250. So that's a good amount of money. That's what I want to know. Profits after everything, costs,
Some
expenses.
of my best-selling products are Coca-Cola,
Yeah.
Red Bull, peanut M&Ms, nacho cheese Doritos, Lipton iced tea. Those are some of the things that people love the most in my machines.
Smart lad. Smart, very smart guy, man. Been able to do this. See,
Check it out.
he has some bling in it. Like, you don't even know. I mean, he has some bling in his neck, and that's it. He's not like, where's the Lambo? I ain't seen none yet.
We go to wholesale distributors like Sam's Club, BJ's, Costco's. We even come to our local vending machine warehouse that also sells vending machine product.
And don't get me wrong, I'm not against all those stuff. I'm not against it in any shape or form. It's just that people flash it too much. That's the problem. It's like, hey, if you want to just be subtle with it, you don't have to like shove it in people's eyes and say, oh, if you're not driving a Lambo, then you're failed in life. No, man. Come on.
I buy a bottle of Coke for 55 cents and I sell it for $1.75.
Ooh.
I profit about $1.20 per bottle of Coke that I sell.
Oh, wow. So
30% of my revenue goes towards buying product for the vending machines.
Okay.
10% goes towards paying my staff.
Okay.
Another 10% goes towards miscellaneous things like gas. And the other 50%, I profit.
Pure profit. So out of that 300, he took home 150. That is amazing. That is amazing. That is amazing. Started with $4,000. For $4,000 in 2018, and now he's taking them $150 a year. A lot of people are like, oh boy, he's not making $1 million. Shut up. Do you know what 150 in profit is? And the beautiful thing, it's a business, so with taxes and everything, he can write off a lot of the stuff. So
one of the challenges of running a vending machine business could be vandalism. One time I had someone try to break into my vending machine to steal cash. They broke the bill validator where the cash goes in and efforts to take out the money. Fortunately for me, they weren't able to do so.
That's why you need to buy the newer machines.
In the future, I'm looking to expand to multiple states, add more vending machine locations around the nation. I want to add more staff to the team, and then potentially open up my own vending machine warehouse where I will sell my own vending machines, card readers, and vending machine products.
This guy is quite smart.
By being in the vending machine business and finding success in it, I've been able to employ my sister, which is something very, very important to me. And she's been able to turn her life around.
And that's the thing also, he's helping people around him because, and this is the thing, sometimes I know we want to like help our family and all that stuff, but in a lot of times, maybe you just need to help them in a way where they start getting money instead of just giving them money all the time. So, which is actually nice. He's helping his family, helping his own community, which is beautiful. Kudos to this lad, man. He's a good lad.
She's running my business in Philadelphia while I live in the suburbs in a very nice house with my family in Maryland. I've been able to change my life. I've been able to change my sister's life. I've been able to change my family's life with the vending machine business.
Are those his kids or sister's kids? I don't know, but lovely kids.
And I want to change other people's life by talking about the business. Doing speaking events, seminars, webinars, whatever I can do to, help everyone learn about a business that not a lot of people know about.
So, this is amazing. He's done an amazing job, and you can see the growth he's making. Like I said, it's not like from $4,000. He started putting money in. It's like you can see the graph. Do not expect it to be like this, but this guy, he's absolutely very smart, and he's somebody who is very shrewd with money. He doesn't spend a lot of money on stuff. If you notice him, look at this, like The shoes he's wearing, Harash's. He's not wearing like some, you know, $1,000 or $4,000 shoe. Look, you wouldn't know this guy takes home 6 figures a year. You wouldn't know. And, you know, for the ladies also, they will say, I need someone who is making a lot. There you go. That's someone who makes 6 figures a year in profits. But a lot of people wouldn't know. Because why? He's not driving a flashy car. He's not spending the $150,000 in loans in Lamborghinis, which if he does, is fine. But yeah, it is what it is. But this is a great business. Nice video. Make sure you guys go out and check this video out. It's actually very nice. It's a good watch. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.